This, I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. On Friday, that was a crazy day. Before I forget, I am not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only and for educational purposes. Also, this so Friday was a crazy day. We can see when it came it for the pre-market, we can see it dropped a lot. What made me really excited and happy to see is when the market opened, we can see a lot of people buying in. So there's a lot of people that are believing this is they're still very pushing this AMC market up, and we can see AMC is pushed up. It got to the 9 candle, and then it started dropping, and then it consolidated right into here. It was very good for the consolidation. We can see on my chart here, it's a buy signal, but on the long term, it's still unknown. It doesn't know where it's going to go. So that's in a 5-minute chart. That's where I see. We can go into the 4-hour chart. I like the 4-hour chart. And the last video I had made, I talked about how we have gone into the 9 candle, and we made our cap off on the 9 candle here, and that was at the $43.29. Pretty much it's $44, and we're having issues getting above $44. But I was saying last time we're going to have a 9 candle on the bottom, and I was thinking it's going to be right in here. Because of Friday, all of this new coronavirus, the scare on that, it dropped and made a bottom right here on a 9 candle on that. So it dropped down here, making a consolidation or bottom. That's my 9 candle saying it's bottoming onto at the $36.40 around there. Well, we can see right here it's starting to rise up, a little bit. What I'm hoping to see on Monday, it's going to be a positive 1, showing that the positive 1, we're going to get into the positive flow coming back up. That's what I'm hoping for Monday, will be in a positive 1, positive 2, and then so on, to get out of the $44 range. We can see the money starting to flow in the market now. We're seeing more money coming in. Volume starting to come in too, so that's a great indication. On the 4-hour chart, it's showing still a sell, so that's a sort of a disturbing thing. And then we can see at the $40 is where it's consolidating. It's really feeling nice at the $40 range. So it would be nice to see it rise above the $40 per share. So that would be a great sign that it's moving in the upside. So what I'm hoping to see is sides of this red going back up, and it's just a fake out. I'm hoping to see us on Monday putting a positive 1, a positive 2, getting above the 40. Those would be 2 great signs, meaning this is up, a uptrend coming up. We're moving on upwards. What other thing I have been looking at is, I'll move that down here, indicating that was the bottom, is back in May here. You can see in the 4-hour chart here, it's really interesting. On the 4-hour chart, we can see it went up, it went down, it was doing exactly, you can see the money flow was dropping. It went down very low, a solid green, and the volume was so low. Now we can go back here, the volume very low too. The money had almost hit that bottom, sort of very similar, but the one thing it has done here, and it didn't do back, it's not doing it now, is you can see it was very tiny on moving downwards. It didn't really move down that much. Here it did drop a lot. Keep in mind we had that new coronavirus. That's where I think we have seen it drop a lot. This one we did not have that indication. So I'm just going back into the past, trying to see if there's any patterns. And so far, there's a little bit of patterns, but not 100%, you can say. Well, I would like to see on Monday still a positive going up on that, a positive 1. And then if we can get above 40, that would be a huge solid indication. The other one I have been looking at is the big money going into AMC, and I can see AMC has still a lot of people, big hedge funds are buying in AMC. That's a huge indication that still there is big money that are very bullish onto the AMC. So if they're betting a lot of money, that means that they're believing there's something happening that's going to go on. I don't see them just betting a whole bunch of millions of dollars just for nothing. So let's see what happens Monday if we're going to be bringing back that dip would be rising, and we're going to go into the Santa Claus phase onto the market. And I believe that we will be going into Santa Claus phase, but Monday will be where we're going to see where's the if we're still in the scare or we're going to be going into the Santa Claus phase. Put a comment if you have anything that you think that I should talk about more, or anything about this video. Thanks.